There's an increase in the number of requests for gun violence restraining orders. Officials say the increase started around the time the local stay-at-home order went into effect. Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin explains why job loss, fear, and isolation play a big role.
In April, 3 unregistered shotguns were seized from a local man's house. The San Diego City Attorney's Office obtained a gun violence restraining order after they say family and friends warned about his plan to arm himself during the pandemic, claiming COVID-19 is a hoax to scare Americans into getting a vaccine that would allow them to be tracked by 5G towers. Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, the city attorney's office says there's been an uptick in requests for GVROs. That's a legal tool that allows them to remove access to guns from people who are deemed by a court to be dangerous to themselves or others.
There's a lot of stress on families, and guns can be an outlet for folks who are on the edge, and we have seen the numbers increase.
That's San Diego City Attorney Mara Elliott. She spoke to us about guns and the added stress of COVID-19 on families and relationships.
These increased pressures on our home and our family life could cause people who have access to guns to become dangerous, whereas before the pandemic, they were responsible, law-abiding gun owners.
Elliott recently spoke in a virtual symposium with prosecutors, law enforcement, and advocates from across the country, addressing GVROs and COVID-19 concerns.
People are trying to find someone to blame for COVID-19. We've even seen that in the domestic violence realm.
Domestic violence is something the police and sheriff's departments are watching closely, but say it's too early to draw conclusions. Numbers provided to Team 10 shows increases and decreases in calls and arrests over the past several weeks. Elliott says if people see a situation that seems dangerous, report it.
And this is an area where we can step in and remind people that there are resources available.
Adam Rakusin, 10 News.
Another area the city attorney's office is following is gun purchases. With kids home from school, they want to make sure resources are available for safe storage to help ensure that guns stay out of the hands of children.